we shall write a Python program to find the sum of series. Firstly, let us see what the series is, and then we shall jump into our PyCharm and start writing the program, okay? And PyCharm now, firstly, this is our series, right? So, we have 1 by 1 factorial plus 2 by 2 factorial and so on up to n by n factorial. That is, firstly, we have to create a function to find the factorial of any number, okay? So, let me take a number, a function named fact, and I'll have my parameter to be n, and then I'll just have a recursive function simply. If n is equals to 1, return n. That is, for 1, the factorial of 1 is always 1, right? And again else, return n into factorial of n minus 1. Done. We are done with our function. Now let us get into our program. I'm using a for loop here for I in range. We want to print all 1 by 1 factorial, 2 by 2 factorial, that is I by I factorial up to n, right? So 1 to n. But we haven't defined any n value here. So firstly, let us define a n value. I want my user to give his input, so I'll use input function here. Enter the number of terms. Okay, now I'll continue with my for loop. I want to print sum, right? Sum of all n by n factorial values. So firstly, I'll initialize a sum value to 0. Then this is the iteration statement for sum. Sum plus is equals to I by I factorial. Fact of I. Okay. Here I am using the function we have created before. Now I want to print the sum. Let me run my program. Yeah. On our Python console, we can see that it is asking to enter the number of terms, right? Let me have the number of terms to be 5. Yeah. We got a value, right? So if you find this mathematically, you will find the same value. You can verify it, okay? So this is a program. Firstly, we have created a function to return the factorial of a number, and then we have asked to enter the number of terms, and then we have initialized the sum. We have looped over all the elements from 1 until n value, okay? Sorry, actually if we want 5 terms, we want to have 5 terms, right? So let me have it as n plus 1. It takes only up to 4 if we give n, right? So let me have it n plus 1, and I'll run it again. Yeah, we have the number, enter the number of terms, then I'll again have 5. Yeah, this time we got another value, right? So we have iterated the sum value with I by factorial of I. Finally, we have printed a sum. Okay, this is a program. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please share with your Python buddies who are learning Python with you, and also subscribe to my channel for more Python programs to learn Python from beginner level. And you can also practice these programs on your PyCharm or any Python editor, so that you can get grip with Python at beginner level. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.